They just put around. Joseph! That was a horrid idea.
Come on, Joe. It's got to go boom still.
Okay, that one does something.
That is awesome!
Turtle lied to me. Okay,
It's up to you.
chickens do nothing.
These are the kind you get every year.
Well, what I'm saying is just do some chips,
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine.
Joseph, wait for it to go out.
It didn't go boom yet, Joe.
Chick-
all the chickens do!
Yeah, that's all the chickens do. Maybe you should separate them a smit.
Copy, is that going to be the correct location? We got these.
Joseph, you're gonna burn one of my chickens.
This is going to be north of 45 and 130. It'd be north of North Shore, South Shore, going into the road.
Oh, I was hoping it was lighted.
Dude, I think the turtle made a skid mark.
We have Rushville Fire on scene and a brush fire. They're requesting
Jeez!
deputies for
Chicken bird!
Not my chicken. And the fourth one. Joseph, you already did. Oh, you put them all three in front of each other?
Yeah. That one has a really short fuse. Is that all we get?
Uh-huh. Joseph, move the turtle. Oh, dude, it so did make a skid mark. Or was that always like that?
Yeah, it's got a skid mark.
Joseph,
Back, Joe.
not at the same time.
Come on, you people are... Oh, there it goes, there it goes!
I feel like it's gonna land on me.
Where did it go?
Right there!
Where?
I don't see
I don't
it.
know, it's weird.
I think it's gonna land on the house. Where'd it go? Oh wait, I see it. I think it's landing on the house. We might find it in the backyard. Well, that's disappointing. I wanted my army man. Was that the blue one or the red one?
Blue.
Oh yeah, here's mine. I think it's in the backyard. We'll go look tomorrow.
Alright. Hold this one.
You should go get your baggie so we can put the dead ones in it.
Oh, well, they're hot.
Oh, okay.
Dumbass.
Your face.
You know things are hot, catches pepper on fire. Ellie, use your head.
For what? Wait, I found another turtle.
Yeah, no, that's my turtle. I
Oh.
got 4 of them.
Well, you want to get all your runarounds first.
I am.
I know. We'll save the smoke bombs for last.
Tabitha asked Spud to light another pond.
Bud, will you light another pong? Not my chickens. What's that?
Is that turtles?
Yes.
That might-
Joseph, we could have a turtle race.
Two tanks have to be lit simultaneous.
And make the turtles do that too. I want to make a turtle
I
race.
will. If you want to, I don't get a thrill out of lighting fireworks. Guys usually do.
Wow, this is like seriously zoomed in.
Oh, you want to zoom out?
Be careful with
You know how to zoom out?
it. No.
But zoom in is pretty much.
Oh, you can't zoom with that video, I forgot. Oh, careful.
Sorry.
You must light your shirt on fire.
But I have to watch the time because I think we're going to have to multiple.
Yeah.
Because it only goes up to 12 minutes, I think. You can help me find a cool song for it tonight.
Alright.
Should we upload them to One True Media or YouTube?
YouTube.
Okay. Well, I just meant for the song choices.
I was going to do songs from my iPad.
Oh, okay.
Why?
Which one do you want to like? Doesn't matter to me.
Where's the bush at?
He doesn't.
Right here at the back.
Hold on, he's going over.
Aren't they gonna like? What do they do?
Oh, they collided. They're going to shoot flames at each other.
Wait till it's ready.
Ready?
Shit.
Don't burn me.
I couldn't get it off.
Joe.
I couldn't get it off. It didn't fire.
That's all right. His
Whoa,
quick,
keep going. I forgot.
his quick was.
Man, it really wants to make sure it's dead.
Stay back. It hasn't went boom yet.
I know. Oh, that was
Not yet.
I think that was it. Oh.
Yeah.
When does it go boom? I don't like this one. Yeah, I agree though. That would have been cool simultaneous. Joe would pick out the scary, easy baby ones.
Just leave it. Don't touch it.
I know.
Now Bud wants to light a stick. You two can light the turtles so they can race.
All right.
I want to see the turtles race. Now Bud's really mad and he wants to light his tank.
That's a little scary. I don't think he had to.
It's okay, I'm scared too. I hate that tank. I prefer the turtles.
There we go.
Run! Ow! Well, that's not good.
It's all right.
We're putting on the water.
It's all right. It's not done yet.
I know. This is entertaining. I like that one.
I don't like that one.
Okay, well, let it sit for a minute before we go touch it because it didn't do as much as the other one.
Like the turtles. I want to see them race.
All right, they want these to live at the same time too. They're just gonna race.
Oh, where's it?
Hold on, he doesn't even know where his wick is, Joe.
Right there.
Hold on, his stick's not as hot as yours.
Joseph, do you not know what hold on means?
That's not what light it is, so.
Here, give me your stick.
So much for a race.
I have a few more turtles, I believe.
This stick isn't as hot as that.
Oh.
stick. That stick's not as hot.
There, that's how you do it. You gotta hit the tip.
Ah, defective turtle!
Well, it's clear who the winner is.
Back, Joe. It hasn't went boom.
I know.
You used to have to tell him that as a kid too.
I know, but I'm the mom. I get to yell back. It hasn't went boom. Okay, let him sit there for a few minutes. What else are you gonna do next?
I'm doing things to go boom now.
That's not good. If St. Joe PD walks or drives by and you, boom. Nope, that's the ticket. Give it to the 16.
They're going boom.
If you get caught.
They said you could shoot today, though. It was the city limits. It was on the news.
Alright, cover your ears for this one.
All right, Joe, this is the last one on this filming.
Alright.
What's that one do?
No idea. But I think I'm going to back up.
Are we done with 2 wicks?
Yeah.
Don't run, Joe.
Sorry. Well, I'll take that, Sebastian.